Hi everyone, it's Rebecca from the CodeWords team here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the different automation use cases for LinkedIn. Our LinkedIn automations are run by using our Chrome extension. The CodeWords Chrome extension scrapes pages that require login or authentication, and it runs all the actions in your own browser. That's why it's great for things like LinkedIn or your own private dashboards. So to start with, let's try one of the examples already in our template gallery. So for example, let's try using this LinkedIn comment scraper. This workflow automation extracts comments from any LinkedIn post URL, enriches the data and sends it straight into a Google Sheet that it creates for you. As you can see, I've already installed the CodeWords Chrome extension. So I'm going to paste in a LinkedIn post from Lovable and click Run. As you can see, CodeWords has opened my browser and gone straight to that LinkedIn post, and it's scraped all the comments for me. Once it's done, it closes the browser and proceeds to make the Google Sheet. Now that it's done, it's generated the output and it's given me a link to access my Google spreadsheet. So you can see here that it's extracted all 55 comments, everyone's names, their LinkedIn profile, their comment, and the extraction time. And this use case is great for when you want to scrape a competitor's LinkedIn post and find potential leads from their comment section. I'm now going to run you through a couple of different use cases that I've been using. So this first one scrapes anyone's LinkedIn profile and sends me a WhatsApp message with some questions that I could ask that person specifically. And I found this really useful for things like networking, but also hiring. So I'm going to type in my own LinkedIn URL here, and I'll quickly type in my phone number. And then I've clicked Run. It's gone to my LinkedIn browser and it's gone through and scraped my profile. So as you can see here, it's generated some questions, and if I check my WhatsApp, you can see that it's also put a load of questions into there that I could ask this person, in this case, myself. I'm now going to run you through a final example, and this one analyzes someone's social presence across LinkedIn, Twitter, GitHub, and Google Scholar. So this is particularly useful if you're either lead prospecting or if you're hiring. So let's go ahead and input some information. So we're going to do this for Reid Hoffman. Here's LinkedIn profile. I'm just going to put LinkedIn as the additional info. Let's remove GitHub and Google Scholar just for this use case, and then we'll click Run. So as you can see here, it's scraped a load of information about Reid Hoffman's profile. So it's provided me with his LinkedIn and Twitter profiles, all of his professional experience, education, recent LinkedIn activity, and also given me some links to relevant content. So this is a really useful automation for when you need to either find a load of information about someone quickly or digest what you've already found. At CodeWords, we also use a version of this that we can actually use straight from Slack. So for example, we have a Slack channel where if we put someone's name and the company they work for, CodeWords will return a search on that person for us and give us their profile. And this has been great for us for things like meetings. When we've got a meeting with someone, we can then have a full digest about their profile beforehand. And if I wanted to build my own version of this, I'd simply head to New Chat and describe the LinkedIn automation that I wanted to build. So that's a quick introduction to LinkedIn automations. LinkedIn automations are notoriously technically difficult to build, but through CodeWords, this process is far easier, and it allows anyone to build a LinkedIn automation that helps their work move forward.